Oh my god, there's two flipped over semis right there. What the fuck? These gusts are fucking insane. Oh my god, here's another one. Holy shit. They need to pull over. This is crazy. What the fuck? I feel like maybe I shouldn't be driving right now, but I gotta get home before dark. Oh my god, there's another one up there. Holy crap. Oh my god, what are these guys doing being on the road right now? Fucking insanity. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, and this one's just gonna yank out in front of me? Okay. Okay, buddy. Wow. This is crazy. What the fuck?